Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever looked at your neighbor's garden shed and thought, now that's the size of an RV I could tow with a bicycle? If only it had a bathroom, a fridge, and didn't smell like fertilizer? Well, someone in France had that same thought, minus the fertilizer part, and voila, the Beauer 3X was born. I swear, the French are either making pastries or solving the laws of physics with camping gear. All right, let's get into it. The Beauer 3X is a collapsible camper that starts out about the size of a hot dog stand, 43 square feet or 4 meters in road mode, and then, poof, expands to triple its size in under 60 seconds. That's right, you park, hit a button, and suddenly it turns into a rolling studio apartment. I've seen clowns get out of cars with less drama. Once expanded, it comfortably sleeps 4 adults. That's 2 in the main bedroom at the front with a double bed and overhead storage, and 2 in the U-shaped dinette at the back, which transforms into a bed at night. In the center sits a kitchen that doesn't fold, flip, or vanish. Finally, some consistency in my life. It's got a 2-burner stove, stainless steel sink, optional microwave, a decently sized fridge, and storage for enough snacks to feed a hungry biker gang. Then there's the bathroom. I think it's genius. You swivel 2 doors, and bam, a wet bath appears with a cassette toilet, mini sink, and handheld shower. It's like your friend's tiny apartment bathroom, but with more dignity. Technical bits. Dry weight, 950 kilograms, 2,094 pounds. Optional gear includes solar panels, electric gas heaters, reversible AC, gray water tanks, and even a bike rack that holds 50 kilograms, 110 pounds. Price, starting at €34,990 or about $38,600. I think what I liked most is how the 3X feels tailor-made. It's like someone took a look at my wish list and just casually went, yes, we can do that, mon ami. Sure, it's not cheap, but neither is sleeping in comfort, dry and unbothered by raccoons. So if you're the kind of camper who wants to roll in like a minimalist and expand like a transformer, the Beauer 3X might just be your jam. Personally, I'd love to see my friend Greg try to figure out the expansion mechanism after a few beers. That alone is worth the price tag. And hey, if this video made you smile or taught you anything except how to make French toast, consider becoming a CampAvto sponsor for just $1. That's less than a gas station coffee and helps us keep testing rolling origami like this. The link is in the description below.